Hi, this is Omar, and I just wanted to talk to you about some stuff that I've been working on this week. And I'm out here on Zimpole Street and Broadway Street down by the Tulane College and Audubon Park in New Orleans. And this week I've been working on some different projects. I've been working on my gas guide contract for the gas guide contract is like a marijuana website. A little bit this week, and then there's been some other stuff popping up, like some SEO stuff for one site, and then some small changes to a header and theme for some other stuff. So it's mostly been like theme development things and PHP and some SEO. But also after work, I've been working on my WordPress plugins. This week I got my first plugin shipped, and it was it was used for it was based on a project that I did where the client needed to have like the client needed to remove all of the prices from their store, from their WooCommerce store. So I went in and did some WooCommerce templates. Like I just took the existing WooCommerce templates and made I put them all in a templates folder and hooked those new templates into the plugin. So when the plugin's activated, then the theme uses those template files, which probably wasn't the best way to do it, because the reason those, like if somebody needs to go and make if somebody's going to make a new, like if somebody needs to modify the WooCommerce template file, then it's going to either the plugin is going to overwrite it, or they are going to overwrite the plugin changes, which neither of those are good. So basically you can't make edits to the WooCommerce template files correctly. So I guess I should probably go in and work on that and make use of hooks or something instead to get the prices removed, if that's even possible. Because most of the way I did the removal was I took the what's it called? I just took the rows and the columns out of the tables that were not using those. The rows and columns that were for pricing and totals and stuff. But it's been fun though. I mean, I got to ship my first plugin, got it completely finished, and was able to send it to the WordPress archive admins, and they are supposed to be reviewing it, and they're reviewing it and going to send it back, a reply to me, and say if I got my approval or not for that. So that's gonna be cool to see. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to that and going and making those modifications. And then the next plugin I'm going to work on is a product slider based on the gas guide website that I have been working on. So that I rebuilt like a product slider that probably came from a Webflow template. So I just used that style and made the product slider, but now I have all the PHP code, so I can go and launch it as a plugin and allow it, put some settings in the admin page so people can style it, do custom styling and stuff, and make it how they want it, or add some features, or add some you know, like add or remove the price or whatever, or stuff like that. So that's going to be the next one. And then after that, there's still that Alchemist Farm Chicks calendar. So like the weekly product calendar that I'm going to work on. And that one's kind of like a big project, because if I want to be able to use it, if I want to like launch it without having the user have to use like Advanced Custom Fields Pro, which is what I use to make that functionality, then I'm gonna have to like do a lot of database stuff, which seems to be not that easy to figure out. But I ordered I bought a Udemy course having to do with WordPress theme development and plugin development, so I think that should be helpful in finding out how to do that stuff. So that's kind of how it's been going now. I'm excited about this plugin development. I've been making a lot of YouTube videos too, a lot of instructional videos, and starting to make more opinion videos and stuff and putting them out on LinkedIn and Twitter. And I've been doing a lot of Twitter as well. I've been listening to Gary Vee and Gary Vaynerchuk, and he talks a lot about businesses and having a strong social media presence. So and that's something that Dane Miller talked about as well. So I'm working on that, and I think it's just also a good way to help myself like figure out where my mind's at and stuff like that, and help me organize my thoughts and reflect on stuff that I've been doing, which is helpful. So yeah, and what else is there? Yeah, that might be pretty much it for now. Yeah, I'm down here in down by the university. There's a lot of people in college, which is fun. So I'll check in with you guys later and keep talking to you. All right, bye.